Yo! What's up? Skywalker is here. Guess what? Today I'm going to replace my grill on my 2021 Trail Boss. Never changed a grill before. Don't know how to. But guess what? We're going to do it today. Alright? I like to thank American Modify for sending me the grill so I can go ahead and put it on my truck. And once I install it, if you like how the grill look, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. All right, so go over there and check them out. They got some really nice stuff. All right, so let's go see what's inside the box. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the box that the grill came in. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Just by looking inside, you could tell that they pack it real nice. Let me show you how inside look. All right, so let's see what's inside here. Okay, so you have the instruction of how to pretty much take off your old one, install the new one. Nice. Got some wire harness, probably for the light. Okay, I think this probably that go around the light. Let's see. Supposed to be two for the left and the right. Okay. Also inside the box, new clips and new bolt. Okay, and this is the grill itself. Nice. Feel real nice. Hold this out of the way. Nice. Well packed. Wow. This is nice. You got the amber lights up here, the wire harness. So these two parts pretty much gonna go probably here and then for the other one. Nice. Then it's got the part where I'm gonna put back my bow tie on it. Wow. This look real nice. All right, let's go put it on. All right, guys. So this is the installation guide. All right, you got different step. So it's a step 1. Open the hood. Remove the 2 screw right here from the hood latch. So these 2 screw right here, we're going to remove it, and then we're going to remove these clips. I don't know how many clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clip. All right, so you're going to need a plastic retainer clip remover. Then you have step 2. So let's do step 1 before we go to step 2. All right, let's go. So here are the clips. You got one right there, one right there, One right here, right here, right here, one here. So all the way around. So with this latch, the hood latch, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. So you got these two screw in here. Okay, so we're gonna take those out. All right, so I have my little power tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. You want to be careful. You don't want to drop your screw down in there. And that's the next problem right there. And you take it out. Just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these screw back in there for now, because I don't want to lose them. So now we're gonna go ahead and take these clips out, and you're gonna need your clip tool. We're gonna take all 10 clips out, and this is removing the plastic radiator cover. So this is what cover the radiator. Okay, so we have to get this out of the way. So with the clip tool, just tilt the clip up. There you go. You take it out and it come right out. You're gonna do that for all 10. Okay, please make sure you put these clip down somewhere secure so you could use them back. All right, so you go ahead and take all 10 out. Okay, so once you remove all 10, you should be able to lift up the plastic radiator cover. There you go. So that's it for step 1. Let's see what step 2 say. All right, we're done with step 1. It's time for step 2. It says remove the 4 bolts that hold the factory grill to the frame. I'm guessing it's these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after we remove those 4 bolts, it said unfasten the remaining clip holding it to the chuck. So I'm guessing some clip is behind the grill. So after that, we're gonna also remove those clips. It said start with the center bar corner over the headlight. Each corner is fastened to the chuck with 4 white plastic clips. So I'm guessing over here, over the headlight. So we're gonna start from this side, I guess. And after that, so these clips gonna be reused. So we gotta make sure we save them and don't damage them. We're gonna remove them with a flathead screwdriver. Finally, pry off the remaining metal clip that run along the edge of the corner portion of the factory grill. All clip unfasten from the truck, remove the grill and place it face down. So let's go ahead and remove these 4 bolts and unfasten the clip from it. You gotta be very careful. You don't want any of these bolts to drop down in there. You have an intake hole right down here. Let me show you. That one right there. All right. So now we got all 4 bolts out. Now we're gonna pry this off. Make sure you put these bolts in a secure place because we're gonna reuse them. All right. So we're still on step 2. So after we take out these 4 bolts, unfasten the remaining clip holding the chuck. So all these clip that's inside here, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. And to go ahead and remove these clips from here, we gotta pry the grill off. So you're gonna need your tool to do that. So we got some clip inside here. Okay, that side is off. This side now. And that is it. So if you look in the back, these are all the clips. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got these down here as well in the middle. And you got some more clip over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These the white clip. So step 2 is done. Let's go see what step 3 gotta say. Alright, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is done. Now step 3. Remove the emblem from the old grill with the trim removal tool and install on the new grill. So let's go ahead and do that. So with the old one, gonna use the pry tool. Let's put it in here. Get it out. Just like that. Then you go ahead and install it. Just push it in. So we go all the way in. And that's it. Beautiful. Nice. This is a good quality grill. It feels real nice. Feel just like the factory one. It feels real nice. Alright, so we're done with step 1. Done with step 2. This is step 3. Done. Let's see what step 4 say. Okay, so before we go to step 4, we have to install these side piece. That's going to go over the headlights. All right, so this one is a right hand and this one's a left hand. All right, so this is the top. So this one is left hand. So let's flip it over, and you got to be very careful. You could lay the grill on the bubble wrap bag so you don't get it scratched up. After that, you're going to gently flip it over. So on this, you could see you have 2 bolt holes. So I'm guessing you're gonna put the bolts inside here. So remember these clips and bolt that come with it. It's 4 of them. 2 gonna be here and then 2 gonna be over on the left side. Okay, and with these one, it's gonna be hard for you to even try to install it wrong, because if you look right here, you got a little extra hole right here, and on here you got a little extra right here. So that part got to go inside the hole. So if you're trying to install the wrong one, this is going to be at the bottom, and there's no hole at the bottom for this to go in, so you can't really install it the wrong way. All right, so with this one, with that little right here, so you're going to put it inside this little hole, and there you go. Perfect. So then you're going to go ahead, put the bolts in it and tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten it, because then you probably could crack it, and you don't want that. All right, let's see how it look on the other side. Okay, so gotta tighten it some more so it can be flush. Okay, nice. Now let's do the other side. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Line it up and put the bolts in. All right, so we did step 1, step 2, step 3, but before we go to step 4, we have to make sure we connect up these wire harness to the light. So the instruction to connect the light is not on the instruction how to put this together, but it's pretty much easy. With the wire harness, it comes with 2 pieces like this right here. So we're gonna plug one left, plug one right, and then these part now you got the grounds, and with this one you could put it in your fuse box. Once I put this back together, then we can go ahead and try that. All right, so first we're gonna have to connect these. So connect one right there. We're gonna connect the other one. So with the new grill, it do come with the metal clip already, so I don't have to take the whole one out of my old grill and install it on a new one. And also with these plastic clip, they give us some new one as well, so that's great. So if you damage your old clip, you could replace it with this new one. So let's install these clip and then we put it back together. How to install the new clips? I'm just gonna put it underneath here, just like that. So you're gonna do that for all of them. All right, so step 4, let's see what it say. Step 4 say follow step 1 and 2 in reverse order to install the grill to complete the installation. So we're going to reverse it. Should be easy, so let's do it. Okay, wow, that look nice. So what I'm going to do next is install back the 4 bolts that was in it. All right, so the 4 bolts are back in. What I'm going to do next is put back the intake plastic cover, and then I'm going to put back those 10 clips back inside. So you're pretty much going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this in here, just like that, and then we're going to put the 10 clip back in. Okay, so after we install the exhaust plastic cover, we're going to put on back the wooden latch. Okay, remember I put these screws, take them out, you put it back over it. And that's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the light. So how I'm going to connect the light now, I'm using this fuse tap. So this, the positive wire from the light, grill light, I'm gonna connect it to this fuse tap right here. And with the fuse tap, your original fuse is gonna be at the bottom, right? So for now, I'm gonna run the light on my fag light, and this is the fuse for it. So this fuse gonna be in this one right here, the bottom one, and then the fuse now for your light gonna be at the top. The fuse at the top have to be a smaller amp than your original fuse. All right, so this one is a 15. You can do 15 or lower. So for now, this one is a 7.5. So you could do like 10, 7.5, 5, or so on. It have to be lower than your original fuse. Because just in case, if something go wrong, it will blow this fuse before it damage anything on your truck. So I'm going to connect this in this slot right here. That's the fag lamp. So I'm going to put this in there, and then for the grounds now, I connect this on it. So I'm going to put this on the battery terminal, and that's for now. Down the line, I'm going to change it and set it up different. With the fuse tap, this side right here is the power. Okay, so whenever you're putting your fuse in, you have to make sure the power go to the power. Because you know, on the fuse, you're going to have power and negative. All right, so you're going to need a tester like this to see where the power is coming from. So let's go ahead and test it and see which side is the power. But before you do that, it's best if you take your battery off. So go ahead and take the ground side of your battery off. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and take it off before I take this fuse out. Okay, so the battery is off. So you want to take the battery off so you don't damage nothing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this fuse out. Okay, now that we take this fuse out, I'm going to connect back the battery so I can test to see which side of this is the positive and which side is the negative. So the battery is connected, but if you're trying to go ahead and do it now, you're not going to get no power from it. But you got to turn the truck on to get power. So let's go turn the truck on. Okay, so let's see which side have the power. So let's try the left first. No power. Right? So the power is on the right side. Whenever you're going to install this over this side right here, that's the power. So because the power is on the right side, we have to place it like this. If the power was on the left, we would turn it this way. Because the power is on the right, we have to turn it this way. All right, so you have to put your original fuse right here, and that's the fuse that came out of here. You have to put it inside here before you go ahead and put it in. Before you do that, we're gonna take back the battery off. Okay, so this is how I connect it. I connect the fuse tap to this, and then I connect the grounds wire, the negative side of the battery, which is on this. I'm going to end up change this setting, but for now, this can do the job. And that's how I run it. So let's see if it's going to work. It worked! Yes! Yo, I have to say I love my new grill. Look real nice. Fit the truck real nice. What do y'all think? And like I said before, if you like this grill, go over to American Modify and check it out. I'm gonna leave this grill in the description so you can go over there, check it out, check out the other items. I love it. Look real nice. Thank you again, American Modify, for sending me this grill. I love it. It looked great on my truck and it was really easy to install. All right, until next time, Skywalker is out.
American Modified, you got my Skywalker looking aggressive on the highway. AM off-road, got heads turned for Skywalker.
Skywalker's gleaming under the sun. Yeah. Silver beast, my day's begun. Rolling high on 22s, oh what a view. Yeah. Metal and grip, yeah. Skywalker, my pride, my thrill. Looking so good with that American grill. Cruising the road, head held high. AM off-road, king of the modified. This grill shine bright like a rebel's dream. Tires hum low on mechanical theme. Made him off-road, I owe you this. Turn my Silverado into pure beast. Every turn, every mile, Skywalker's got that style. Skywalker, Skywalker, my pride, my thrill. Looking so good with that American grill. Cruising the road, head held high. AM off-road, king of the modified. Skywalker, my pride, my thrill. Looking so good with that American grill. Cruising the road, head held high. Skywalker's king of the modified. Trail boss rides, no need to boast. A legend rolls where it matters most. Dust kicks up, stars align. Skywalker forever mine.